cyclists. So it's starting to get a bit more busier. Had a couple of people walk past with their dogs. Some people on the other side with their dogs. And Billy's still in the middle playing chase. I can't hear him now. Don't know where he's got to. Quick schnozzle down here. I think we've got to look out for these Californian thistles. Around the legs they're alright, they're just a little bit of a sting, but if they get on your fingers or in your face they can be quite nasty. Oh, he's through there. Come on, Bill! This is the problem. Hey, come on! There's a couple over here. Decided they were gonna add another one. So we've got a few just down in here, little ones. Just down in this point here. I don't know if you can see them running through on the camera, but I can see them. One just there. There he is there. Just in there. And of course this is what he sees. He sees a glimpse of that tail. And he's off after it again. Come on, Bill. Mind you, he sits at home all day. On a weekday, on a work day. And he lives for this. Coming here, doing this. That's all he's got, I suppose. Mind you, this will knacker him for the rest of the day, and then he'll want to walk tonight, and the same thing will happen, and then he'll be knackered for the night. And there's that one over there still. I guess we just got to wait for him.